Hello guys, this is Opel Meriva. This car, the customer come to our workshop and he complains about huge oil loss from the rocker cover. As you see here, he tried to clean it 2-3 times and he added oil to the engine, but still it has a huge oil loss. You see here it go through the gearbox and drop to the ground. So I start diagnose in this car, and also the engine light is pop up in the dash. Let's find the solution. So here I have a smoke machine. I want to check for any air leakage in the system, and I suspect on PCV valve. If the PCV valve has failed, I need to change the complete rocker cover. So guys, I turn on the smoke machine. You see the smoke is coming out from the PCV valve very heavily without any pressure. So it means that the PCV valve is not working, and the PCV valve is stuck open and not working, and the oil is leaking from here. So I need to change the complete rocker cover. This is the new rocker cover. When I changed, when I changed, I will also test with the smoke. So guys, I removed the rocker cover and also I cleaned here. So little bit silicone here and here. And this is the new rocker cover. It comes with the gasket, rubber gasket. Make sure to put it on its place and install it. The new rocker cover is on. I torqued all bolts. 8 Newton meters. The rocker cover is not, the failure cap is not come with the rocker cover, so I need to use from the old one. Now it's time to test for the leak. So guys, as you see, there is no leaking coming from the PCV valve. Instead, it leaks from here, from the intake. As you see, there is no leak. There is no leaking from PCV valve.
Send me the stuff, okay?
So guys, now I confirm that there is no air leakage in the system. As you see here, if I remove the oil gauge, you see it's pressurized. It means inside the engine pressurized by the smoke machines, and there is no leakage. And the rocker cover arm, rocker cover is replaced with new one, and the PCV valve is okay. So guys, now the engine is started. There is no vibration, there is no misfire or rough idling. Everything is perfect. And the engine lights is disappeared.